Have you ever felt helpless and tired in the dead of night? When the pain keeps surging, your heart seems to be shrouded in shadows. Do you yearn for the coming of light? Inner healing is a process of rebirth, which is not only the starting point for getting rid of pain, but also gradually moving towards spiritual purification. Only through correct practice and interview can we lead to true spiritual release and peace. When we gradually let go of obsession and accept the imperfection in life, we can feel the lightness and freedom of the soul. We will find that only by looking at the gains and losses in life without any prejudice and without persistence can we find true freedom and happiness in the present. All this does not require external conditions, but only how we view ourselves and how we find ourselves in each experience. Persistence is the root of pain. When we hold on to the scars of the past, we are easily trapped by emotions that we can't let go of. When we know how to let go of these past obsessions, we will find that our hearts gradually return to calm. This is the purification of the heart. By gradually letting go of the obstacles to impermanence, we can truly feel the peace of mind. The impermanence of life reminds us that everything is constantly changing. When pain comes, we might as well ask ourselves, is this pain really permanent? Pain is like a shadow, but it is not eternal. When we understand this truth, our hearts are no longer easily restrained by emotions, but learn to see the birth and death of all things with wisdom. If you learn to accept impermanence, you can gradually get rid of pain and finally achieve peace of mind. No longer resist the changes of life, but let the mind return to peace by accepting the essence of all phenomena. The healing of the soul is not to escape from oneself, but to be tolerant of oneself. Only when we can face the scars in our hearts and accept those imperfect parts with a tolerant mind can we find true peace. Many times, our judgment and dissatisfaction with ourselves become the shackles of our hearts, making the pain deeply rooted. Only by learning to forgive oneself can we truly release this pain. It is a deep healing to look at yourself, accept past mistakes, and no longer demand perfection. Because only when we really let go of our self-criticism can we heal our inner wounds and rebuild ourselves. In difficulties, we should not only heal ourselves, but also extend the power of good thoughts to life and make it the pillar of inner strength. When we face pain with good thoughts, we can not only turn pain into a nutrient for growth, but also make our hearts full of love and warmth. This kind of love is not only given to others, but also tolerant of oneself. When we face every experience with compassion, our hearts are no longer full of fear, but have endless power.